After learning this banana recipe, I've never made it any other way. Start by taking 2 ripe bananas and placing them in a glass bowl. Add an egg and mash the bananas until they form a puree. Now add 3 tablespoons of sugar and stir well. The sugar will sweeten our cake just right. Add 3 tablespoons of sunflower oil and mix again. This will make the dough even fluffier and tastier. Using a sieve, add 5 tablespoons of wheat flour. Mix until the flour is fully incorporated into the dough. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and stir well. The yeast will make our cake rise and become light. Heat a frying pan with a little olive oil. When it's hot, pour in the pasta and cook for 10 minutes over a medium heat. After 10 minutes, carefully turn the cake over and cook for another 4 minutes. This way it will brown evenly and be perfect. And there you have it. The easiest and most delicious banana cake you've ever seen. Super practical and delicious. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like the video and follow our page for more great tips. Enjoy and see you next time.